Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and today I just want to come on here and just tell you a little bit about my sublimation printer. I have an Epson ET2760 sublimation printer that I have shown you before. Now this ET2760 printer is the one that I converted over into sublimation. So if y'all seen the video that I did, I think it was like 2 videos ago when I made the puzzle for my dog. If you all remember when I showed you how the print when I printed out my dog's picture, how it looked with the line going across it, I kept digging to figure out what was going on. It was not the vignette that I had around it. It was because I haven't printed on my machine in like a day. I think it was like 2 days. So anytime you have a printer that you have converted over into sublimation, or even maybe I don't think a sublimation printer, but a printer that you have converted over into sublimation, like a Epson ET2760, you may need to print every day just to make sure that the ink is not sitting in your printer, because once you print, it may leave a line or it may do something else. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and because I'm about to do a sublimation on something, so I want to make sure that my ink is printing the right way before I put my A-Sub paper in. So I'm just using a plain sheet of copy paper here, and I'm gonna go over here to my Epson ET2760, and I'm gonna put this copy paper in and go ahead and print a test page just to make sure that my ink is running like it should. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay. All right, so this is my Epson ET2760, and that's my sublimation ink right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take just a plain sheet of copy paper here, because you don't want to mess up your A-Sub paper. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and print a test page just to make sure that my printer the ink is running like it should. Okay. All right, so this is what I'm going to be printing out on my sublimation, on my Epson ET2760. It's just something simple. I graduated from Alabama State University, so I'm just going to go ahead and print this out, which I'm going to go here, press share, download, go here, PDF print, and then I'm going to download it and print it out. So I've set my design over here to go ahead and print on my Epson ET2760. So we're just gonna see how everything works. And like I said, it just needed the ink inside the printer have to constantly do a print so that it won't just sit in your printer. Okay. And I was wondering, I was like, why is it that I had that line across my paper? And so I was just looking, and I was like, that's why. So when I came back over here and reprinted it, I did not have that. And I was thinking it's because of the vignette that I had, but it wasn't. Okay, so all I did, I just wanted to make sure that it printed, and I pulled it out because I didn't see it print here at the top, but it is printing. I just wanted to make sure that I did print something before I go ahead and start printing for my sublimation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and print my sublimation, but that's all I wanted to show you all and tell you. All right, so that's all I wanted to tell you all, is just to make sure that you don't let your ink sit inside of your sublimation printer, especially if it's converted, because you want to make sure that it is printing correctly. So in order for it to print correctly, you have to do a print at least every day. All right, because like I said, it was like a day or two before I used mine, when I did my dog's puzzle, and when I printed out, it printed with the line. All right, so thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you go and check me out at Ieasha Designed It. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All right, have a blessed day.